All right, so this is the Dyson Air Wrap Multi-Styler right here. Look at it, all its glory right here. Here are the attachments that come along with it. A little brush thing, a little roller, all sorts of things going on right here. So this is what they're talking about with the Air Wrap. Going to go through this, tap and get started. And so here are the multi-stylers right here. You have wet, dry, you have straighteners, hair dryers, all of this right here. Okay, so with Air Wrap, multi-stylers, going to click on that. It just pretty much shows what it does. There's like a video or something. We're not going to do the video, but it's pretty nice. So this essentially is showing what that portion of it does right here. You can have nice curly hair like this lady. Different types. Pretty cool. Different attachments. Wow, there's a lot of attachments. I'm pretty impressed with all of it. So here it is. It's Air Wrap features.
We have a promotion on this color today. So
There's a
we have
promotion on
$100
this?
off.
It's a promotion on this?
So it'll be $4.99.
How much is this originally?
$5.99.
A lot of things going on here. They have different colors as well. This is a pink one.
So
He's about to show me what it does exactly. This is pretty cool.
6 attachment. This one is a blow dryer and a smoother. So the top part you can twist it. You see the open at the back.
Okay.
Turn it on. That's a blow dryer.
Oh, wow.
So you can use that to dry your hair.
Wow, that's pretty impressive right there.
After that, your hair may get frizzy. Now you can twist it back inside the copper bar to smooth the surface.
Wow. Whoa.
It will bring the longer hair on top, hide the short hair at the back.
Wow.
So you
This is
will
not a
have to,
curler.
it's not a curler. For curling, it will be these two.
That's pretty impressive right there.
Curling, grab the middle part of your hair, place it on top,
Yeah.
turn it on, see the air will just grab your hair.
Oh,
by
wow.
itself.
And that gives it a curl like that.
Yeah, so you
So it
don't
doesn't
need-
damage the hair
It
due to
doesn't
metal.
damage because it's only using air.
Yeah.
No hot plate, no direct contact.
Uh-huh.
It's hot air, but it's not hot enough to damage you.
Oh, wow.
10 seconds of the hot air. After 10 seconds, switch up. Now it's cold air to set the shape. So another 10 seconds on the cold air. After that, turn it off, pull it out. That's the curve.
Wow, that's pretty impressive.
These are just different sizes.
Yes, so you get 2 different sizes. This is the old versions, so it's not included.
Oh, it's
They
not
now
included?
come with the long one.
Oh, the long one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Will become 6 attachments.
So it comes with 6 attachments. These are the old ones, and these are the new ones right here. Look at that. So it has a brush, a couple of brushes, things going on right there. That's pretty impressive right here. This is a Dyson Air Wrap.
So big.
It's a connection. Well, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.